Hi, this is Shalvi from Speed News. I wish you a lovely evening. So let's have a glance at today's news bulletin. Intel has today announced the launch of a new range of smart gadgets in India to complement its phone range. The brand has introduced power banks, car charger, fitness tracker, Bluetooth speakers and earphones in the country. The company has introduced 14 new products in the accessories segment under 4 different categories at a price range of Rs 100 to Rs 1999. During the corona period, 40,000 angry employees of Haryana have formed a common front and played the bugle of the statewide movement. According to the announcement of the movement, NHM employees, contract workers and ASHA workers will protest on 25th July in all PHC, CHC, General Hospitals, PGI and Medical College. This is said to be a major blow to Indian professionals. Demonstrations will be symbolic in view of coronavirus and functioning will not be interrupted. Despite this, if the health department and the government did not take concrete initiative to address the demands and problems, then a big movement will be announced. Latin America and the Caribbean on Tuesday surpassed 1 lakh coronavirus deaths. More than half of them are from Brazil. According to AFP count based on official figures, the pandemic is accelerating across the region, which now has a total of 2.1 million cases, with Brazil, Mexico, Peru and Chile the most affected countries. Brazil has second highest COVID-19 death toll in the world, after the United States at more than 52,640 fatalities out of 11,45,906 confirmed cases. The study led by scientists in IIT Gandhinagar, India have for the first time detected genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 virus in wastewater. Andrew Singer, an environmental microbiologist of UK, said that with this, India joins the rank of handful of countries doing WBE on COVID-19. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation is now facing a new challenge as more than 70 patients who tested positive for coronavirus have gone missing from Mumbai's P ward, comprising of several areas in Malad. The Mumbai police have been submitted with the details of these people and investigation is on its way. Indian tennis star Sania Mirza on Tuesday signed a deal with talent management agency Cornerstone. Cornerstone has been successfully representing talent across India, and I am confident we will do plenty of interesting work together going forward. The team is young, motivated, and I have full faith in their capabilities to grow my brand across verticals, Sania said. Bollywood actor Ajay Devgan is gearing up to collaborate with Bahubali fame director S.S. Rajamouli in his next film RRR, that is Rise, Revolt, Roar. It is said that the makers are looking for the summer 2021 release date. Actors Ajay and co-star Alia Bhatt had already begun shooting for the film, while fans' excitement about the film knows no bound. Ajay and Alia Bhatt's characters are yet kept under wraps. Yog Guru Baba Ramdev on Tuesday launched Coronil and Swasari, an Ayurvedic medicine, to help treat novel coronavirus. The Coronil kit is priced at Rs 545. The Coronil kit is for 30 days. During the launch, Baba Ramdev said that their clinical trial found that 69% of the patients tested recovered from COVID-19 within 3 days, while 100% of the patients recovered within a week. He also announced a new app, Order Me, through which people will be able to order Coronil by sitting at home. According to the reports, Chinese hackers have increased attempts to hack several Indian entities after the recent border clash between the two countries. Hacker groups linked to Chinese government attempted to carry out a series of hacks on Indian businesses, multiple government ministries and media organizations. An earthquake of magnitude 4.1 on the Richter scale struck Mizoram on Wednesday morning. According to the reports, this is the fourth in the northeastern state in as many days. We end up with today's news bulletin. Speed News shall update you tomorrow with new and fresh bulletins. Thank you.